In example 1, we need to translate the verbal phrase into an inequality and then graph the solutions on a number line. So if we read number 1, we've got all real numbers that are greater than -2 and less than -3. I'll just use x to indicate all real numbers, and we're going to do greater than -2 and all real numbers that are less than 3. A lot of times you're going to see this written as one complete statement without the and in the middle, and you're allowed to do that. You can write -2 is less than x. If we take these two and change sides, we've got to flip the inequality symbol. The larger side here is facing the x. And less than 3. You can do this for and statements, but you can never do this for or statements. Or is some of the next videos. If we graph this, we want all the numbers that are in between -2 and 3. So I'll draw a little graph here. Oops, that's -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. -2 actually won't satisfy this. 3 won't satisfy this. In other words, make it true. -2 is not less than -2, and 3 is not less than 3. But any number in between -2 and 3 will definitely work for this. So we're going to shade on the inside. Alright, so let's switch colors up here, and then we'll try this next one. We want all real numbers that are less than -1 and all real numbers that are greater than or equal to 4. If we try to combine this in a statement, we really can't. We couldn't do -1 is less than x is less than or equal to 4. That's not either one of these statements, so we wouldn't be able to combine this together like that. We have to find numbers that are less than -1, so we have to find a bunch of numbers that are negative, less than -1, and at the same time, those numbers have to be bigger than or equal to 4. So there is no solution for this one. You can't come up with any number that is lower than -1 and still at the same time greater than or equal to 4. So this is no solution, and there's nothing we need to draw on the number line.